Hello everybody, welcome to this next video on complex analysis previous year's questions from UGC NET exam. So here you see we have this problem was there in June 2017, 3 marks. So the question is, let C denote the unit circle centered at origin in C. So C is your complex plane, so you have a unit circle centered at origin, unit circle, okay, it means the radius is 1. Then you have to compute this integral, right, along okay, in I should write like this so that you have a distinction between C is your circle, this is your complex plane. Then you have to compute this integral here, you see, right? Okay, so we have to take the curve anticlockwise. Now you see, generally what we when we have integrals from complex analysis, we try to apply this Cauchy's theorem or Cauchy integral formula. But here you see, since it does not look like the statement, you don't have anything which looks like that you need to apply Cauchy's integral formula. For Cauchy's integral formula, you should have something like this. So this integral you have to compute just by parameterizing your curve C. Now you are saying that C is a unit circle with center 0. So you will have here, you will just write Z is equal to e raised power iota theta because radius is 1. Okay, so this is the parameterization of the circle where theta is from 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi means you are going anti-clockwise. So if you take Z is equal to 1 e raised power e iota theta, so your dz will be iota e raised power iota theta d theta. So this is your dz. So you just put it here, 1 plus, in place of Z you will write e raised power iota theta. In place of Z square it will be e raised power 2 iota theta mod square, and here in place of dz you will write iota e raised power iota theta d theta. Now if you look at this quantity here, this is the calculations are bit complex, not complex but lengthy, so you can just do here the calculations. So this actually is a complex number. So this is cos theta plus iota sin theta, this is cos of 2 theta plus iota sin of 2 theta. So if you separate the real part, you will get 1 plus cos theta plus cos of 2 theta, and if you separate the imaginary part, you will get sin theta plus sin 2 theta with iota outside. Now you have square also, so if you take the mod, so that will be this square plus this square. So we have done that, this square plus this square, and because of the square root is gone, so this will be just put the formula a plus b plus c whole square. So this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, and here also you use the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. You do some manipulation, you will get 3 plus cos of 2 theta, cos theta plus 2 cos 2 theta. Now you put it here, so your integral becomes this iota, and this iota will cancel. So you have 1 by 2 pi 0 to 2 pi 3 plus 4 cos theta plus 2 cos 2 theta, plus here you put e raised to iota theta, which is cos theta plus iota sin theta. So you just separate the real and imaginary part. Okay, and then you need to do the integration. For that you have to convert this cos square theta as 1 plus cos of 2 theta by 2, and then you have to do this 2 cos a cos b into cos a plus b plus cos of a minus b, things like that. Ultimately just do the calculations, you will get your answer as 2. Okay, so the crux is that in these problems generally you think that you have to apply Cauchy's formula, but when you see that your integral is not of that form, so always go for the parameterization. So your answer here is C. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe to